Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show and tell you how to start a live broadcast on Facebook. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give it a like. Let's get started. I'm doing it on my iPhone phone. You can do it on Android, on any device. You have to go to Facebook. You've got Home, Video, Friends, Marketplace, Notifications, and the menu. You and I have to click on your profile right here at the top. Where it says Add Photo, you click here. You create a post and you can add photos, add videos, add mentions. We'll click Live Video. Now we can click Go Live here and we'll go live. But before that we can add different effects to our video. So we can add different effects to our video. If we don't like it, we can take it out. And we can add a flash if you want it on or off. And you can choose whether you want to flip the front camera or flip the camera horizontally. You can also turn off the sound on a recording or turn it on. You can also click here next to Go Live. Here you can add a name, add time. Make our live recording private or for all people. Click Exit with you. And also here, you can add people of your friends to this live broadcast for them to see by checking the box and click OK. And then click Go Live and our broadcast will start. That's how easy it can be done. If you liked this video and it helped you, you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.